So this video, I am showing you guys what a pretty worn brake pad on the rim brake looks like for your road bike. This is one of the worn brake pad. As you can see, the grooves are all gone. It's pretty much rubbing entirely on the back plate of this rubber piece, okay? So this means it is time for you to change your brake pad on your road bike. And over here, this is the front. The rear I have already done. So I want to show you guys really quickly what a worn brake pad looks like, which, you know, judging by the groove, this one definitely needs a replacement. And also another indication that you're gonna need new brake pad is your rim brake is making a very loud vibrating noise when you're riding and you're trying to brake. And your wheel is still true, but it's just making noises. That means it's telling you that it's time to change your brake pads, okay? And I'm also gonna show you what a new brake pad will look like compared to a worn one. And what I have here is a very quality, very good brake pad that you can get for your road bike. I always try to get better brake pads just for your own safety and the feeling of better modulation when you're braking. This is the Swiss Stop Flash Pro BXP. This is their improved black compound. So it's one level above their original Flash Pro, and it's kind of a dark blue brake pad. And of course, the original SRAM uses Swiss Pro, and I believe it's probably the Flash Pro version. This is the Flash Pro BXP. Okay, so this is like an improved version. So I'm gonna compare it for you again, looking at the depth of the groove. So if your brake is really like that, that's like way beyond, you know, it's way past the moment that you need to replace your brake pads, okay? And this is what a normal brand new brake pad would look like right here, okay? So next step is actually quite easy. You're just gonna take your brake caliper or the brake pad holder off and put the new pad in, and it's pretty easy. And I got the new pad installed, and right now I'm actually already put the pad or the caliper components on there. To get it situated, you need to, of course, find your brake over there. So you're gonna have this loose, and you're gonna kind of put the brake, align it in the middle of the rim. So not too high, not too low. You have half of the top exposed and half of the bottom exposed. And kind of just, again, align it nice and straight and pull your brake. Once the brake is pulled, you're gonna kind of just very gently, very carefully tighten it. And if you tighten too fast or too hard, the caliper would actually move, it would tilt. But if you just tighten very slowly and using enough force, it will stay in place. So now you got your brake pad installed and already, you know, situated. The very last step, because it's a new pad, you need to adjust the centering to leave more space for the new pad. Usually if you put the new pad in and you probably already adjusted your bolts right here, you have to just readjust to make sure it's centered, and make sure you go out and test ride. You go find a slope, you go down for about 20 to 30 seconds, applying gentle braking power to just get the initial, like the braking surface nicely situated on your new bike. And you should be good to go. And your bike shouldn't make any more weird noises, and it should last another couple hundred to a couple thousand miles, depending on how hard and what kind of a hilly condition you're riding in, okay? So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions about how to replace your brake pad or rim brake pad on your road bike, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. Otherwise, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks again, and see you guys in the next video. Take care.